First off, let's go ahead and talk about some of my settings that I'm currently using right now for this microphone test. So I am currently recording this video with the Panasonic Lumix GH6 camera, and the camera's microphone gain setting itself. So the actual camera is set to -12 dB, the microphone input. Now let's talk about the micro's receiver, which is connected to that camera via the 3.5mm cable. It is set to the output gain set to low. So we have three different gain settings: low, medium, and high. I currently have it set to low because from my testing, that pretty much what sounded the best with my setup. As far as the output mode, I currently have it set to the merged mode, which is basically the mono mode. And this is what the audio is sounding like as I have the transmitter with the built-in microphone just clipped on over here onto my shirt. I do also have the little fluffy little windscreen on there as well, just to kind of help prevent maybe any wind noise that we're getting outdoors here. We do also have a noise cancellation option as well, which I was able to turn on or turn off within the RØDECaster mobile phone app. Currently for this test, the noise cancellation is currently set to off. So let me know down in the comment section down below what you guys think on this audio setup.